Now the currents. Now the currents where they give us.
You go one food now. The food they want. I know they have to get the room again.
You have resumed, Abby. Well done. Welcome back after taking milk.
Okay, happiness don't come.
I don't know, sister.
Fatima will lose the other day this night.
No, Friday.
Okay.
I will do them on Saturday.
Okay, Saturday. Okay.
Well done. I hear you. Okay. We are ready for the oven. Oven time. Careful. I don't want you to enjoy yourself. Mama, take your hands off. Take your hands off. Thank you. Mama, leave my drawer. Leave my drawer. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Go to your kitchen. Go to your kitchen. Take your hands off. Go to your kitchen. Go to your kitchen. That's your kitchen over there. Oh, yeah, go. Bye. See you later. Leave it. Mama is, oh shit. Mama is doing it. Oh yeah, come and close it. Oh yeah, come and close it. Oh yeah, close it now. Close it. Apologies. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, good job. Aiza. How may I help you? Hubby's dinner is ready. Let me show you. Ooh. Do you guys? Yes, my love. Don't sleep on that my green sauce. So. Don't sleep on it. That sauce is one in town. I'm going to record his reaction. This is enough for dinner because it's heavy, very heavy. You don't need to add any other thing.